to get it off the plate. Oh wow. So usually I don't make stuff like this. I am definitely more of a smoothie person in the morning, but I've really been craving some like protein recently. So I made a little breakfast sandwich this morning, as you guys saw. I have my coffee and I'm really ready for the day. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Erlia, otherwise known as martziechic, and I own an online reselling business. So as you guys can see, it is very cloudy. It is early in the morning this morning, which is why coffee is so important. But today I really wanted to show you what an average day looks like for me when I am not sourcing. I know a lot of you watch my videos for my thrift hauls, my Goodwill outlet runs, and all of that stuff, but I also do have some at-home online days as well. So today I am going to be listing this morning to make sure that everything is up and running, as well as cross-listing, and then I also am going to be taking some packages out to the post office. And then after that, I really don't know where the day is going to take me. I probably should be taking one of my online classes. So if you guys didn't know already, I am learning coding for my business, but JavaScript is definitely a brand new language to me, so that has taken a little bit. I'm really just hoping to have a chill and laid back day with you guys, chat with you a little bit, show you what I'm up to, and some tricks and tips along the way. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button down below, and also hit the notification bell right next to it to be updated every single time I post a new video. And then also, if you would do me the biggest favor and give this video a thumbs up down below, it really helps me in search and within the YouTube algorithm to boost my channel a little bit. And yeah, I'm going to be getting straight into listing. I don't think that I've ever actually explained how I do my listings, and I do feel like it would be important for me to include it, at least in this video. I know that batch listing can get a little bit hectic, and if you're really wanting to maintain a lot of similarity within your listings, I feel like my method is very good. I have an Adobe subscription for my YouTube channel for editing, but also for Photoshop, Lightroom, and a whole bunch of other things that I use for my business. So what I do is I take all of my photos on my phone, and then I have the Lightroom app, and I can upload all of those photos to the cloud. After those are already uploaded to the Adobe cloud, I can go on my desktop on Lightroom and access all of those photos so I can make my listings a bit faster. Now, if you guys don't want to pay for a preset, I know I've created my own, but another really good option if you already have Lightroom is to go into the presets under color and just select bright. Bright is something that everyone has access to, and I noticed that that is really good for the majority of my photos. All I do is then go into Lightroom, apply the bright preset or my own preset in bulk for everything that I took photos for, and then also adjust all of the photos if some of them came out sideways or anything like that in square mode. After all of those upload, I usually go into Poshmark and start uploading all of my pictures for each listing and saving them as drafts so I can start updating the descriptions. Now, since I'm currently listing, I am going to be utilizing Poshmark's new feature of bulk upload. I've really been testing this out, and it is still a slower process for me, but I feel like once I get my own strategy down, it will be a lot faster than what I've been doing. So let me show you guys what I mean. So you're on Poshmark, right? And you go to sell on Poshmark in the top right corner here. If you guys can see that, it says try bulk upload though. And once you click that, it gives you the option to download 2 different types of templates, whether your images are in a cloud or stored on your computer. As of right now, I think that this feature is only available for Poshmark ambassadors. I feel like this was a great new addition, so I'm going to be using that today to make sure that everything gets listed and uploaded, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, drafts are ready to go, but I think I still have a few items here that I have to take some modeled photos of. So I'm gonna show you guys those really quick. Some of you may have already seen these in my haul miss video from last week. So if you haven't watched that yet and you wanna see some more good things that I've been picking up lately, you can go and check that out. The first one is this little dress from Sun Becomes Her. I don't know if this is actually gonna fit me. It says it's a size 10, so I feel like it will, but if not, then I don't know what I'm going to do with this one quite yet. I might have to find a stock photo. And then I have this Wilfred free little midi skirt. I have this Majorelle size medium maxi dress. This dress does have a pretty good stock photo for it, but if I can take a nice cover photo instead. Then I had this little Lululemon coat jacket thing. These have been selling really well for me, so I was excited to find that in my local buy sell trade store. And then I think the last item here that I have to model is just this pretty wool Anthropology pastel sweater. I love this, but it really, really needs a cute cover photo. Look at how cute this is. I am obsessed with this and I absolutely would wear this myself. I'm going to get the photos of this skirt really quick. So same drill, I usually just keep one arm down and try to get a full length photo of the garment that's somewhat flattering. So you guys know the drill. I usually just pop one hand in front and pop one hip out, and I'll show you guys how this photo turned out over here. I try to make myself look as slim as possible while still making the garment the focal point of the photo. I think I'm gonna catch up with you guys once I'm done with my listings and I'm headed over to the post office, and I will see you guys after. I thought I was gonna beat traffic, but I didn't. I'm gonna grab a snack here or something for lunch because I didn't eat lunch. And then I'm going to start one of my LinkedIn learning courses. That's how I've been learning code. They have a ton of different professional courses you guys can take regarding business ownership, Excel, if you don't know about Excel yet, or if you want to take coding classes like I am and develop your own products. I think that that is great as well. I tried Skillshare for a little bit. They don't have the amount of professional courses that LinkedIn Learning has. All you need is a LinkedIn account, and it is charged monthly. I think it's $30 monthly, but it gives you access to literally all of their courses on anything that you'd want to take. This might sound weird to you guys, but since I'm a recent college grad, I've been really missing my college courses. That's what I've been doing and how I've been learning everything. I think it's been really good for me and I've learned a lot. So that's the only reason why I'm sharing it. But yeah, I'm gonna grab a snack and then I'm gonna hop into that class. Okay guys, it's been about 2 hours now. I am definitely brain dead when it comes to looking at all of this right now. So I think I'm gonna take a step back from this, but I feel like this would be a good transition to talk about why I'm not as active on Instagram anymore. As you guys can see, I do a lot online. I'm pretty much on my computer all day. And if I'm being honest, I've been trying to cut out things that don't make me profit. So if I can come out with products that actually help people by educating myself, or if I'm actually making sure that I'm making sales or listing, I'll be doing that before anything else, which is one reason why I've kind of been MIA on Instagram. But another thing is just comparison. I used to not struggle with this as much, but more recently I have just been looking on Instagram and thinking to myself, oh my gosh, so-and-so is making more sales than I am, or like comparing myself because I am full-time. So to cut that out altogether, I have not been that active on Instagram because I realized if I really want to reach my own goals, I should probably be putting down my phone and actually working on my business. And that's advice I'd give all of you, honestly. If you want to start making a change in your business, start devoting all of your hours to things that actually make you profit. I feel like this is a great message to leave the vlog off on. If you guys have gotten this far and are not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that little subscribe button down below, and also give this video a huge thumbs up as well to support me and my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.